Today we're going to do a little exclusive on one of my favorites in the collection, our 1937 Caterpillar RD6. That's a real early wide gauge ag crawler, and you're going to hear me refer to pony motors and starting motors a lot. I'm about to give you a quick run through on what that means. As you can see here, this is quite a large tractor. At the time, this is the predecessor to what is now known as a D6. Tractor weighs approximately 18,000 pounds. It's 8 feet wide and about 14 feet long. It hauls real nice behind our 2-axle truck, and this one likes to travel with us, and which is a good thing because it's one of my favorite ones to take to shows. All right, up here on the right-hand side of the motor, you're going to see a small vertical 2-cylinder engine, which is right here. You see the spark plugs on top of that. This is a 3-cylinder diesel engine, and it's what they call pony start, which means you've got a 2-cylinder gasoline-powered pony motor that you start via a hand crank up here, and you get it running and engage your clutch and your pinion, and away you go. And you start cranking the main motor connected together with a transmission, very similar to what you would have in a car. And you have your compression release in the start position, releasing compression. When you get oil pressure, you bring it up to run, and then you wait for a few minutes of cranking, wait till you get your combustion temperature up, and then you open your fuel control knob. And then it should light off and kick the pinion out. If all goes to plan, well, let's give it a shot and see what we can do. I'm going to explain what I'm doing up until the point where you can't hear me. It's going to get pretty loud, so I'm going to just give you a quick run through and see what we can do. All right, first things first, we're going to open the gas on the pony motor tank. We've already checked all the fluids in the main motor and the tractor. Pony motor engine oil looks good. No sign of gasoline in it. These often bleed by and fill the crankcase with gasoline. Turn our magneto switch to on. We have our hand crank. We're going to insert it into the crank socket there. Make sure everything's disengaged. Make sure tractors are neutral, clutch is disengaged. Move our compression release to the start position, and we're going to choke the pony motor. Next thing we're going to do, release the latch on the pony motor part way, so we got a little bit of throttle going through. And never pull past top dead center. Oh, there she is, folks. 3 cylinders of Caterpillar Diesel Fury. The sound alone is enough to just absolutely put you in a calm frame of mind. There's no therapy quite like running one of these across the field in an afternoon after a long day. This would have been top of the line back then. It's got every option you could possibly have, including auxiliary lighting, which was rare for its time. there you have her, folks. This is why she's the pride of the fleet. Someday she's going to get a full paint job, restoration, you name it. And hopefully some indoor parking too. Hopefully that comes sooner than later. Anyway, well, thank you all for following along, and please stay tuned for more of our tractor fuel adventures, recoveries, and see what else we're going to have in store for you. Thanks for tuning in.